How to sign up to Prizepicks without ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss on how you can sign up to Prizepicks without using your ID. Now, first of all, let me go through the basic steps on how you can sign up to Prizepicks. So to do that, you'll have to first of all go to the prizepicks.com website or the Prizepicks app. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to first of all enter your email address, and then you'll have to provide your name, your email address, your date of birth, address, and finally select a password for your Prizepicks account. Now, while entering your email address, you will also be asked to enter promo codes if you have any. Now, you can simply use the promo code max bonus to receive $50 on your Prizepicks account. Now, if you scroll down, there you'll see the option called verify your identity, meaning you'll have to enter your ID right over here. So now let's talk about that. So as Prizepicks is an app that requires you to meet state mandated age and location requirements, you won't be able to sign up without having a valid ID that meets both the requirements of your location and your mandated age. So without ID, you basically won't be able to create an account. Now, if you have a driver's license, a passport, or such, you can simply use them and create an account, but without them, you simply can't open a Prizepicks account. So hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.